What is up, my crafty friends? I'm just hanging out in my floor today. I've got something in this box that I cannot wait to share with y'all because it is really going to change the way that you can do your crafting. It's going to give you the opportunity to do more crafting because it's going to eliminate something I'm absolutely positive that you hate doing as much as I do. Y'all, today we are going to be reviewing the Yeedi vac station. This vac station has a vacuum, of course. It's going to vacuum your entire house, but it's also going to mop it at the same time. And not only that, y'all, this thing dumps itself. This Yeedi vac station has been on my bucket list of things that I absolutely needed, and I can't wait to give it a test drive. So if you want to find out what all this Yeedi vac station can do, keep watching this video. And if you enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up because that will mean the world to me. Do you own the Yeedi vac station? Do you love it? I am super, super excited because y'all, I hate mopping floors. I hate vacuuming floors. Let's be honest, I really hate cleaning because it totally cramps my crafting style. So let's get it out of the box. We're going to get it put together and we're going to give this girl a test drive. So keep watching.
Y'all, I'm just going to try to contain my excitement as I cut this box open, but I'm so excited about this Yeedi vac station. I will say that it is all packaged super nice. It's all got its own packaging. Each piece is boxed individually, and yeah, according to the directions, it is super easy to put together. All we need to do is to use 3 screws. We're going to screw the bottom in, and we are ready to go.
Okay, so putting that together was almost too easy, wasn't it? Let's see if it's that easy to set up.
Please scan the QR code on the robot to download the app and get started. Please switch on the power before charging. Please scan the QR code on the robot to download the app and get started. Starting charging.
Next, I'm going to download the app for my smartphone. The very first thing I want to do is to open up my app and set my cleaning schedule every day for 9 o'clock a.m.
Next, I'm going to let it charge overnight.
Her first day on the job, and she showed up right on time. Now, the first couple of times that she turns on and she starts vacuuming, she is going to do her mapping of the house. This will take a couple of vacuums to get complete. Once your mapping is complete, you can go into your map management and you can actually label each room. If you only want your master bedroom vacuumed or if you only want your bathroom mopped, you can definitely set those zones up. During mapping, there was one area in my daughter's bathroom where she got stuck under a piece of furniture. So I just went into my map settings and I created a boundary. That way she will not go against that piece of furniture again.
Okay, so all of that was fun, but now it's time to put it to the real test. What is the suction like?
I grabbed some rice out of the pantry and threw in her way. I also put some beans down, and I even went to the beach and got some sand since that's what's mostly in my floors. And y'all, the Yeedi vac picked up everything that I put down in her way. Let's have a look and see what she's picked up so far. Just pull out our little dustbin here. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at all of the junk. Ugh. I'm really impressed with how her lines go back and forth versus all over the place like some other vacuums do. I also loved how easy she made the transitions between my wood floors and the tile. I'm going to let her run her first course without any more interruptions because I don't want to mess up the mapping. Alright, y'all, looks like she is done and she is headed home.
Starting charging. Emptying the dustbin.
Okay, I cannot wait to see if this thing can actually mop.
Okay, so we're just going to remove the water reservoir and fill it up with water, attach our mopping pad, and then put it back in our Yeedi.
Mopping plate has been installed.
I only want to mop around my front door area, so I'm going to go into my app and set up a custom area so that it only gets that area by the door. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at the dirt that she picked up in that tiny little area. Although I don't have any carpet in my house, the Yeedi does come equipped with this special technology so that it avoids your carpet area while it's mopping. I think that is super duper cool. You're going to get 200 minutes on a single charge, and if it's not done in that time, it will go back and finish its job after it's charged. And not having to change that bag for 30 days is a definite plus. Another thing that I totally appreciate is the maintenance schedule. They give it to you in your manual as well as in your app.
Y'all, I never thought I would be one of those people to crush on a home appliance, but here I am crushing over this Yeedi vac station. It is absolutely amazing. The suction power is out of this world. It picks up all of the cat hair, all of the dog hair, all of the sand. Y'all, it literally picks up everything that I threw in its way. If you want to check out the Yeedi vac station even more, I'll put a link to it down in the description box below. While you're there, be sure to check out the other models of the Yeedi to choose from. I'm sure you can find one that fits your needs. I've got to run for now. I've got a ton of crafting that I can do since I don't have to vacuum and mop my floors. Until next time, happy DIYing, y'all.